Hello, for today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you on how to do the famous velocity style. But I can't use videos as clips, so I'm gonna use a picture. Example. Let's start.
First, go to Groups and add your first clip. Now adjust your duration. It's your option whether you like it longer or shorter. After adjusting, go to Effects and add Directional Blur. After adding, put a keyframe at the start and end of your clip. Now put 35 at the first keyframe, then 0 at the second. You can copy my graph or just create your own. Now go to Transform and Scale, then add keyframe both start and end. Now at the end keyframe make it +5, larger, 100 to 105. Now click at Effects again and choose Twitch. Speed is 5, angle is 90 degrees, blur is 0, RGB split is also 0, and light is optional. Now go to Amount and add keyframe at the start, and the second put it at almost in the middle. First keyframe is 5, and second keyframe 0. Now go to Transform again and pick Rotation, then add keyframe at the start and at the end. Start keyframe is 0 degrees, and the end keyframe is 5 degrees. This part is optional. You can add fade out. Now add your second clip and repeat the whole process. Or just simply duplicate your first clip and click Replace and add your second clip. Now this part is optional. Click at your second clip and go to Transform then Rotation. Now change your 5 degrees to -5. For the other clips, repeat the whole process, and you can alternate your rotation to 5 degrees to -5. And you're done. But there are some free QR codes I will be giving. Before that, make sure to follow my social medias. QR code 1. QR code 2. QR code 3. QR code 4. QR code 5. And that's it for today. Bye.